In this video, I'm going to provide you with 6 tips to help you grow your YouTube channel. When it comes to finding success on YouTube, it can be challenging to produce algorithm-friendly content that will attract more viewers and keep them watching. Here are 6 tips for optimizing your video content on YouTube to grow your subscribers. If this is your first time here and you want to build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Let's see what's coming now. Tip number 1. Post multiple times a week. Recent reports have uncovered that channels that post videos more than once a week are performing better than those who don't and are receiving more recommended views. If you can, try posting a video 3 or more times a week to your channel. Keeping a regular schedule can quickly raise your channel in YouTube's algorithm. Tip number 2. Start each video with a hook. The way you will hook viewers will depend on you and your content. If you have a video that shows a project, make sure you show the result at the beginning of your video. Providing viewers with a stunning result increases their interest in how you achieved it. Stories are another way to pique the interest of your viewers. When you start with a story, viewers will want to stick around to see how it ends. Tip number 3. Keep opening credits and titles brief. People have short attention spans, so including a long title or credit sequence at the start of your video will cause viewers to lose interest. Long opening sequences also discourage binge watching because viewers don't want to see the same long sequence over and over again. Instead, you want to make sure your opener isn't longer than 5 seconds. Tip number 4. Add end screens. End screens are interactive elements in your video that link to your channel, other videos, or web page. These can only be added in the last 20 seconds of a video, so you'll need to plan where to place the end screens. End screens tend to work best when the on-screen presenter is still talking and providing information. Tip number 5. Edit out distractions. Out of context talking, long pauses, and jumping from one subject to another will have your viewers looking for more exciting videos. You want to keep the tangents to a minimum and avoid giving viewers reasons to click away. Tip number 6. Design eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails can make or break your YouTube success. Suggested videos are the leading source of organic traffic, which means that your video thumbnail needs to stand out when it appears in the suggested videos section of the platform. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, then you need to develop content that keeps your viewers and algorithm in mind. These 6 steps can get you well on your way to creating content that will help you grow your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let us know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one.